The 17 things. What you look for when buying or renting, what you plan for when renovating, and what you know will be recognised when selling. Let's talk about bulk insulation, often called insulation bats. No, not those bats, these bats. Installing bulk insulation in your ceiling can help you control how much heat your house keeps out for summer and keeps in for winter. This is great news if you're renovating or thinking about a simple upgrade. Insulation is one of the 17 livability property features that offer the potential for reduced running cost and increased comfort. So how does bulk insulation work? Bulk insulation is made up of lots of tiny pockets of trapped air, which slows down the transfer of heat from one side of the insulation material to the next. Without this insulation, all the heat and coolness you're generating with your heaters and air conditioners is quickly lost through the ceiling. The effectiveness of bulk insulation is measured in R value. The R stands for resistance. So the higher the R value, the greater the resistance to the transfer of heat and cold. So insulation with an R value of 4 is better than insulation with an R value of 3. Having your insulation properly installed is just as important as the material itself. So make sure you use a professional installer who will warranty the product and the installation. Insulation is one of the simplest ways to improve your home's comfort, particularly when the weather outside is extreme, helping to make your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer. And it will significantly reduce the amount of energy you use, and this means lower energy bills too. When properly installed, insulation is designed to perform for the life of the building, and it requires no maintenance. Don't forget, it's important to keep the receipt from your installer as proof that the insulation has been installed correctly. Bulk insulation in the ceiling is one of the simplest property features to add, and it can bring one of the biggest benefits to health and indoor comfort for you and your family. Insulation is one of the 17 things. For more information on these livability features and how to create your best home, visit liveability.com.au.